In environments where a single spark can cost millions, AGC engineers safety into every photon. AGC Lighting belongs to Upshine Group, which is a public traded company with 4 subsidiaries and 5 production facilities worldwide. Established in 2014, AGC operates from a 40,000 square meter facility with 700 staffs in China. At AGC, continuous innovation is our foundation. We make substantial annual investments in R&D, with over 120 talents dedicated to product development. Here, light isn't made, it's engineered to outlive your most brutal process environments. Our commitment to product quality and reliability is guaranteed by the AGC Lab, which is the third-party, qualified testing location with more than 100 kinds of sophisticated test equipment. Every product undergoes more than 35 rigorous tests, from individual components to final assembly, ensuring full compliance with the highest safety and reliability standards for each target market. AGC Company and his customers have a common goal of excellence with no exception. All IP65 products undergo continuous aging tests for outdoor durability and performance. We transform innovation into trusted solutions through sustained strategic investment. AGC meets the most stringent global standards with 350 international patents, 4 industry awards, and HSE system. Our high-tech LED production lines enables precise engineering and quality consistency, ensuring every LED module meets top-tier quality standards. With optimized workflows and live monitoring, we deliver more than 100 containers monthly to global markets. 100% aging testing ensures zero-defect products at shipment. Scientific production management ensure superior delivery. Backing our 5-year warranty commitment, a dedicated team of 60 quality assurance professionals maintains rigorous inspections across the entire production chain, from component sourcing to finished goods. Today, our product portfolio includes high bay lights, LED lights, street lights, sports lights, and explosion-proof lights. AGC products are exported to more than 120 countries, rusted by steel mills, refineries, chemical plants, and drilling platforms. We serve global energy leaders like Aramco, ADNOC, Shell, and BP, as well as EPC partners. AGC provides technical consultation, customized solutions, and rapid respite. We invite global partners to collaborate in building a safer, more efficient, and sustainable future. AGC Lighting, illuminating the future, safeguarding the world.